Snapchat makes messages disappear. Now it's doing the same thing with investor capital. Coming up here on The Job. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It is 8:21 here in the middle part of the country on Tuesday. It is May 24th, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. I want to start off with Snapchat. Down some 35% in the pre-market. Lots of concerns around ad buys on the platform. User growth was actually pretty good. Signals a troubling time for Snap, for Meta, for YouTube, for all of these apps that rely upon digital advertising revenue for their income. If there is less ad spending in the economies, because consumers are spending less dollars, that means less dollars for social media. Of course, Snap is really one of the most volatile of those companies, right? It sort of goes up, goes down. Now it looks like it's going below its IPO price of $17. Whew. Don't think we're quite in a recession yet, but things are not looking good on the horizon. Best Buy also reported numbers here this morning. Did okay, sort of level, right? Had a drop in sales of about 8% year over year. Now remember, Best Buy was sort of juiced as a stay-at-home stock, right? Last year, sales were up some 35%. So if you're tapering down just 8% year over year, that's not a bad swing. It puts it squarely into like the value stock territory, trading at something like 10 times earnings. If we see multiple contraction in the broader market, meaning folks are paying less for stocks, it has that downside buffer where, hey, listen, we're just making $8, $9 a share in earnings per year. How low can our stock price go? Of course, you don't want to fall into an earnings trap, but with stores that have a pretty good presence like Best Buy, you'd think they'd hold up okay. Last but not least, before we get you off to a nice Tuesday, Wal-Mart with kind of an interesting little pilot. They're doing drone delivery, 37 sites by year end. It looks like they're going to be doing it Arizona, Florida, Arkansas, Texas, a couple other states there. The big problem with drone delivery classically is the landing part. Pretty easy to load a drone, pretty easy to fly it to where you want it to go. But when you land and are looking to drop off a package to somebody, how do you do that? Does everybody just have a big X in their front yard? Do you do it close to folks? Do you do it away from folks? Do you lower a cable? How do you do it? Right now, Walmart is partnering with a drone company that's actually going to use pilots to fly those drones. Ultimately, that's probably not super scalable, right? You need someone who is doing lots of orders and doing them and flying the drones automatically. That is sort of the long-term goal. Right now, looks like a money loser to me. If you want some additional info throughout the week, feel free to find me on the internet. I am out there. Until then, I hope you, your family, have a really good rest of your Tuesday. I am out.